You'll get your money when you earn it.
Well done, Drew.
9:26.
You are. What's in the hand?
24 minutes have gone. What do you think your chances are?
Let me drink and I'll tell you.
I'm going to get you a drink.
Yeah.
The public want to hear your progress, Josh.
I bet this will get 3 watches and
You
half
what?
a star.
What?
I get.
He's hilarious, folks. He's hilarious.
Hello. Yeah, you got it. I reckon you get 3 watches and half a star.
He's on a temporary leave here. We don't think he can make it. Oh, it's going to be the worst YouTube video ever.
Wow,
That's going to waste a bit of room now, isn't it, Josh? Eh? Yeah, you still got 1.5 feet. And you're wasting it on Fanta. What did you just say, Josh?
Drew is a bitch.
What did you just say?
I said Drew is a bitch.
He said he failed. He's given up hope.
I am a shadow of my former self.
You reckon you can finish in 17 minutes, Josh?
No.
You do not. You reckon it's over?
Yep.
Drew wins?
Yep.
Say it.
Drew wins.